Today I'm painting a quick seascape. The stillness of the ocean inspires this painting. I begin by applying white across the entire paper surface. At the bottom part of the paper, I paint wavy lines to add texture where the ocean will be. I paint the top portion with soft, uneven strokes from left to right with primary blue while the white is still wet to create the sky. The sky covers roughly the top third of the page. I add more white to the sky with rough strokes, not blending it in. For the ocean, I mix phthalo blue with a touch of dioxazine purple. I attempt to make a straight horizontal line where the ocean meets the sky. It's not so easy to freehand a straight line. Using masking tape can help, but since this is just a quick painting in my sketchbook, I'm not going to do it here. I'm making the top area of the ocean near the horizon line darker than the foreground. I now add horizontal strokes of primary blue with a touch of yellow to create a turquoise hue. I add a little bit more phthalo blue mixed with some yellow to suggest the varied blues and greens found in the ocean. I now add a few horizontal lines of a lighter blue. I'm now going to add a few white marks with a fan brush to suggest waves. I dry the paint with a hairdryer before continuing. I also use the hairdryer on the back of the page to help the page dry quicker and to prevent the page from warping and the corners from curling. Next, I create the impression of clouds on the horizon. I use a small blending brush to paint the clouds. I add a touch of a darker color to make the clouds more realistic looking. Then I blend the clouds slightly into the sky. This completes the quick seascape. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment and subscribe if you enjoyed this video.